Now we can lift the import tray and lock it into place using the support bracket underneath. To aid in loading the media, remove all of the covers and open the oven lid. Next, feed the film into the oven. We want to put it onto the input tray, through this opening here and down into the base of the oven. The film will drop into the powdering area of the oven. What we want to do is grab the film and loop it upwards to come through the oven section. We want to ensure there's a U shape in the powdering section that will allow powder to gather on the base of the film here. With that done, we can pass the film through the oven section. We then push the film through the aluminium section of the oven, and we want it to pass through the black guides on this bar. These guides are adjustable by loosening the screws, but should be perfectly positioned for a 33cm roll. Pull the film underneath the uptake roller bar and onto the cardboard tube. We then tape this into position using masking tape, and this secures the film, allowing it to roll up as the printer prints and the oven cures.